how to pay with Venmo at Walmart. So here's a step-by-step guide. You can do this using the Venmo app with a QR code. You want to open up the Venmo app on your phone, tap on scan or the QR code icon at the top of the home screen. Then you will scan the QR code displayed at the cash register. This is at Walmart. Once scanned, confirm the amount and complete the payment through the app. After the transaction is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message within the app. Now make sure that Walmart supports Venmo payments at your location, as availability can vary. And you can also do this using a Venmo debit card. You will apply for and receive a Venmo debit card if you don't already have one. Swipe or insert the Venmo debit card at the Walmart payment terminal as you would any other debit card. The amount will be deducted directly from your Venmo balance or your linked funding source if your balance is insufficient. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.